Okay, hello everyone. Here's Caesar passage 22, I think we're on. Navibus Circitur. So let's start off with this first bit. After Circitur, around about, and here we've got the Roman numeral, after around about 80 transport ships were gathered together, after around about, 80 transport ships were gathered together, were obtained and gathered together, quot, which estimaba, which he believed to be enough ad for two legions transportandas, being transported. That is another gerundive of which I'm so fond. Quod, and then we've got the next bit. And furthermore, he distributed. So after he got about 80 ships together, now it was Circitur. After he got about 80 ships together, which he thought would be enough for transporting two legions, quod praetere, which furthermore, actually we would say for this next bit, he distributed the warships that he had to the quaestor, so distribuit. He distributed quod praetere, so he distributed what he had of the navium longarum, of the warships, to the quaestor, and to the legatis praefectis, to the quaestor, the legionary commanders, and the prefects. So distribute. He distributed quod what he had of navium longarum, of warships, to the quaestor and the legates and the prefects. Huc accedebant. The next bit, to these. Huc, to these, he accedebant. He added 18 transport ships, quae, which tenebantur, which were being held back from that place, 8 miles, or which were being held back 8 miles from that place by vento, by a wind, quo minus, from being able to reach the same. So they were being held back, quo, by the wind, from by a wind, by which they were by wind, from being able, from possent, from being able to venire, to come into the same harbour. And then we've got that next bit. He distributed these equitibus to the cavalry. That's a very short, brief passage 22. Caesar passage 22. Well done, everybody.